Good morning and happy days. I'm super excited, guys. I finally made it back to Europe. Oh, I am really excited. As you can see, based on my outfit, I'm in a let's say cold country. Yeah, it's not actually really cold, but still it's definitely chilly compared to Singapore. Well, we are in Athens, Greece. This is my first visit to the country since 2017. I haven't been here for almost 6 years. Well, 5 years technically, we are still in 2022. So I am excited, happy days. After almost 3 months of Asia, I'm really happy that I am back home in Europe. Wow, happy days. Anyway, today's video is gonna be just a video where we are walking around Athens. We are almost to Monastiriki, which is the main point of the city. You can see the Acropolis, and this is the hot center, hot part of the city itself. Few considerations. My last time here was in 2017, therefore I would like to say that the city got much better. The area where I'm actually staying, which is Omonia Square, back in the days I remember was full of not so inviting people. However, now it's definitely much better. It feels more secure in a certain way. We are in Monastiriki. I am really excited because I finally get the chance to try again the one and only Gyros, souvlaki, etc. in a proper place. Happy days. I'm genuinely super excited. Especially not because I'm in Greece, don't get me wrong, it's because I'm in Europe. I really missed it. Oh. And we've got the chance to witness one of the most beautiful Hellenic songs, I guess. Anyway, it was really nice, the song. However, we came here for a specific reason, and that one is trying out the best food ever. Oh, by the way, look at that, look at the fruit. I'm getting sick actually. Look at the fruits, 99 cents for a kilo of clementines, bananas. Oh, I miss these prices. Without doing anything today, I landed here in Greece and I spent already 30 euros without doing anything. Literally anything. I got the metro tickets, a SIM card and a coffee, 30 euros. Welcome to Europe. That's the shock. Oh, but look at that. Happy days. Right, so let me just give you a little bit of a background in terms of the reason why I ended up in Greece. When I planned my return to Europe, I found out that there is a really cheap company called Scoot Airlines that flies from Singapore straight away directly to Europe. And I had to choose in between Berlin and Athens, Greece. Well, I chose Athens just because it was cheaper, of course. I'm not actually sorry that I got here, because it doesn't really matter where I'm landing. The most important thing is that I'm in Europe, and yeah, here we are. And I really miss this place. I didn't have the chance to visit the country since a very long time. For those of you who are living outside Europe, you need to know that Greece is one of the most famous destinations for summer. Loads of people, at least once a year from Europe, they come to Greece because they have an amazing coastline, beautiful beaches, great food, cheap prices, and is really well connected to the whole continent. So yeah, although all these benefits are available here in Greece, I didn't have the chance to visit. I always went for different destinations. But anyway, let's move forward. Wow, with this sun in my face, it's going to be hard. Another memory that I have since 5 years ago is that all the attractions weren't well kept. I mean, look at that, all this beauty is just being preserved in this way. But this is the way it is, I guess. Imagine living in one of these houses at the bottom of this beauty. That's just incredible, ain't it? The peace, how quiet it is, just incredible. Honestly, I don't know for which specific reason I'm going this way. Maybe just because I wanted to show you the Acropolis. However, my intention was to go to eat something because I'm starving. Let's just carry on a second and then we will go back. We'll go back to the action area. Oh, look at that. What a beautiful place. You have your nice table surrounded by nature. In the distance there is another temple. Up there is Acropolis. Now it's getting a little bit hot because I'm moving, I guess. I mean, yeah, I'm sorry, I just don't want to go all the way up because I've seen it already back in the days, and definitely for me personally it's not interesting seeing it the second time. So I'd rather go to eat something, because after 12 hours flight where I rested, I am super hungry. It's almost 12 o'clock afternoon and I'm hungry. A curious fact about the flight is the flights from that part of the world, it seems like they're departing really early in the morning, like 3 a.m. in order to make it till the old continent early in the morning. Therefore, I didn't rest it properly for the last 24 hours. By the way, guys, from this side you can see it better. Look at that, look what beauty. It's really weird that the Parthenon, or the Acropolis, the way it's called, it hasn't been listed as one of the world's wonders. That's really, really strange. On the other hand, the Colosseum, which is nice, great, however, it's still there and being considered one of the wonders. I'm still looking for a restaurant, however, look at that. Look at this beauty. Wow. And here, the tube is passing. Just incredible. Wow. How much beauty. What a great place to be. You wanna be in?
Hello, hello.
Hello. She wanted to be in a vlog. Anyway, I'm still looking for a restaurant. Hopefully, I will be able to find a good one. After touring the whole block, I am still looking for a place. Let's have a look at this one, what they've got here. They've got what you're looking for. Don't forget, I'm looking for something authentic, Greek, something good. Hey, how are you doing?
All good, you. Welcome.
Thank you so much.
I have here.
I want something Greek, you know, it's my only day here. I want some gyros or some souvlaki, something really nice.
Here, some like here.
Oh,
I
that's
also have
amazing.
seafood
Have
if
a-
you want.
Well, I have good memories about the gyros and stuff, so I will definitely go for that.
Very good also is yogurt kebab or political kebab.
It seems like a really nice place. Have a look at that. Yeah, perfect. So yeah, I will just take a seat then. Can I sit everyone?
Who you like? You like here with the hip?
Oh, that's a great idea. Perfect. So we've got our place. Look at that. Look what a beautiful table we've got here.
You from?
I'm from Romania.
Romania.
Romania, yes.
Russian catalog? It's okay? Or English?
No, English. I don't speak Russian.
Okay, I don't know.
No.
Sorry. Ορίστε. Ξέρω από τα κομμάτια να μοιάζουμε ρώσικα.
No, I'm from 2 countries above you.
Τσεφ πάτς.
Vine, tu?
Bine.
Wow, the waiter is really friendly, by the way. I know already what I want, however, I just want to have a look at the menu. Look at that. The prices are quite fair compared to the rest of Europe. Of course, we cannot compare these prices with the prices we've seen in Southeast Asia because, of course, there are 2 different worlds. However, so far so good. They look great. Look at that. They have traditional moussaka. This is good as well, but I'm not in the mood for a moussaka. What I want is easy as it sounds. Gyros. I will get the pork gyros. Can I please have a Coca-Cola?
Of course.
And then I will just stick with my initial choice, which is the gyros place, the
Gyros.
pork gyros place. Guys, our food is here. Look at that. Look at what a huge plate. We've got potatoes, some onions, tomatoes, a bit of tzatziki, meat, and the pita bread. All this for 11 euros. Look at that. That's incredible. Wow, what a place. The reviews online were right. I am amazed about the amount of stuff that they put on this dish. Just incredible. Let's try first of all the potato with the tzatziki sauce. It looks delicious. Hopefully it tastes the same, but I'm convinced. It is really difficult to explain how fresh is the tzatziki and how crunchy the potatoes are. Amazing. Look at that. Look at this potato, oven potato. They are potatoes from the oven, yeah?
Yes.
Wow, look at that. Amazing.
Fried.
Amazing. Thank you. And let's try the meat. Look at this meat. It looks really tender in the inside and crunchy on the outside. That's great. The food in Greece, it tastes different. All the products, you can feel that they're organic. I mean, guys, I'm not making stuff up. Have a look at that. Have a look at this tomato. It's so red and so juicy. Are not those tomatoes that you can see in the supermarket that they look amazing, coming from all parts of the world, Morocco, etc., and they are not tasting like a proper tomato or like plastic. Look at that. This is a proper tomato. A proper Greek tomato. It tastes like a proper Italian focaccia. Fragrant, nice. Wow. Guys, so far, so good. Amazing. Look at that. It's still... I guess this is for 2 people. I cannot finish all this. Just amazing. And I want to eat it slowly because I want to literally taste everything. Every single flavor, from the meat, from the potatoes, from the veggies, from the pita. Just incredible. I realized also that they've got menus in different languages. Look at that. French, Italian, Spanish, Hebrew, Russian, South Korean and Chinese. These are small details that are letting you understand that the place is well managed, well kept. Because you offer and you put in condition every single guest to feel at home. And this is amazing. For those of you that saw the Lao China video where I got criticized because I was pretending to see English write on the signs in the station. Well, this is inclusion, in my opinion. This is the way we do here in Europe. Right, so guys, the portion was too big. I just cannot finish it. It's really humongous. So I believe I will just finish the Coke and then ask for the bill because it's too much. I just cannot finish eating it. Can I have the bill, please? Thank
So
you.
I take a plate.
Yeah, please.
You liked it?
Yeah, it's amazing. It's great, but it was just too much. For me, it's too much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I got the bill, and the bill is only 10 euros. But I don't know for which specific reason. They gave me one of these chocolate mousses on the house. Wow, what a great service. I mean, I'm surprised. Why is only 10 euros? I think there is a mistake.
It's 10 euros.
No,
Does
but
this?
I got the Coke.
Yes, 10 euro, 10 euro.
You sure?
Yes, of course.
Based on, I mean, I haven't purchased anything for 10 euros, you know, it was 11 euros plus the Coke, supposed to be something like 14 euros. But anyway, let's try this amazing chocolate mousse. They gave me their business card, so this is the Mayandros traditional restaurant and cafe, and in here we have their address. Anyway, I will put it in the description. Yes, please.
Shall I say? Here is Stiraki station. Right and right, and you find us. Latos. Right. You find us.
Right,
Here.
we'll link it to you so you can actually have a look at the restaurant. Let's try out this small chocolate mousse. It's just a great chocolate mousse. Really smooth and good. Happy days, happy days. 10 euros. What a hell of a deal we got here. Amazing. Amazing service, amazing food, and I really enjoyed the atmosphere as well. People is really friendly.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much to you. Are you the owner?
Yes.
I would like to thank you so much for I would like to thank you so much. This is the place. It's called Mayandros, and it's literally behind the Monastiriki station. Thank you guys, bye-bye. Bye-bye, thank you. And it's literally behind the Monastiriki station. What legends. Love that. Basically, out of nowhere, he gave me 4 euros discount. Which of course, I appreciated, but I left them in tips for the waiter because I'm an absolute legend. But still, what a gesture. Nowadays in Europe, you don't see this kind of treatment. Wow, happy days, happy days. From today's video from Athens, it's everything. Thank you so much. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Ideally, guys, please, if you can make it happen, just go to the restaurant over there to have a lunch, a break, anything, because definitely it's worth it. I'm telling you, the service, the atmosphere, the people, the food, the quantity, the quality is just absolutely insane. Great place to be. From sunny Athens, it's everything. Till next time, cheers and thanks for watching the video.